If this place could speak, it would tell the story of World War II. In this video, we compare how it looked then and how it looks now. A place once destroyed by war will leave you shocked today. We worked hard to find these rare footages. If you love history, make sure to subscribe to the channel. In 1945, this place stood amid heavy damage, shattered stone, twisted steel, and silence after air attacks reshaped Hiroshima during a tragic period of conflict. In 2026, the Hiroshima Peace Memorial stands calmly, surrounded by water, trees, and visitors, reflecting a city rebuilt with care and purpose. During World War II, an atomic weapon caused sudden destruction across Hiroshima, changing the course of history and global understanding of warfare. The aftermath brought long suffering, loss, and years of recovery, leaving ruins as quiet witnesses to the scale of damage. Preserved as a memorial, the site now promotes peace, remembrance, and learning, welcoming people from around the world. This then versus now reminds us how places endure, how cities heal, and why peace must be protected. On 30 March 1945, a Cromwell tank of the 7th Armored Division passes through G-Men, Borken. The town is surrounded by the tension of war. In 2026, the same Gemen, Borken, exists as a peaceful and modern town. Where tanks once rolled through, everyday life now moves calmly forward. Gemen, Borken has transformed from a place of war into a symbol of peace and recovery. In the 1940s, Shukayan Garden stood amid heavy damage, bridges broken, and silence following air attacks in a tragic conflict. In 2026, the same paths curve through calm water, green reflections, and visitors moving slowly, unaware how fragile this beauty once was. During World War II, Hiroshima endured intense destruction, and this historic garden was caught within the city's suffering. Trees were scarred, structures lost, seasons passed quietly as nature waited and the landscape held memories. Decades of careful restoration returned balance, preserving tradition while allowing new growth. Shukayan Garden reminds us how places endure, heal, and carry history forward. On 1 April 1945, U.S. soldiers of Company E. Today, Münster is a peaceful and vibrant city, far removed from the realities of war. The streets once filled with soldiers are now part of everyday civilian life. Black and white images show WWII Bridge surrounded by smoke, shattered streets, and heavy damage after a sudden air attack, capturing a tragic period frozen in silence. In 2025, color returns as the same bridge stands calm over the river, with traffic, trees, and everyday life moving gently across Hiroshima. During World War II, Hiroshima faced intense air attacks, and this crossing became a central reference point near the explosion that reshaped the city. The aftermath left widespread destruction, long-term suffering, and a quiet landscape where buildings vanished and the river flowed through ruins. Over decades, Hiroshima rebuilt with care, transforming loss into lessons, while WWII Bridge remained repaired and connected to daily life. This place reminds us how history shapes the present and why peace and memory matter. In early April 1945, Allied soldiers guard German prisoners at a checkpoint in Lippstadt. Today, Lippstadt is a peaceful and rebuilt town. The wartime checkpoints have disappeared, replaced by normal civilian life. Smoke-filled skies hang over Hiroshima Station as rail lines twist, buildings collapse, and heavy damage reshapes life amid air attacks. In 2025, Hiroshima Station stands bright and organized, with walkways, steady trains, and calm movement replacing destruction. During World War II, this transport hub near the city center became vulnerable during conflict across Japan. The area fell into silence, surrounded by ruins, halted travel, and suffering during a tragic period. Careful rebuilding transformed the station into a modern gateway, supporting commerce, connection, and routines. This place shows how cities endure destruction, then choose recovery, memory, and peace for future generations. On 1 April 1945, the lead elements of two Allied army groups meet at Lippstadt, east of the Ruhr. This meeting completes the encirclement of Army Group B. Today, Lippstadt is a calm and modern town, far removed from the events of war. The area once central to a decisive military encirclement is now part of everyday civilian life.